How to lock and hide WhatsApp chat. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and open WhatsApp on your phone. Now you want to go ahead and open any of the chat that you want to hide on WhatsApp. So just go ahead and open their chat. Now here you need to go ahead and tap on their profile, which is on the very top. So now what you need to do is you need to scroll down a little bit and then tap on chat lock. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now you need to turn on the toggle button of lock this chat with Touch ID. So just go ahead and open it. Now you need to put your Touch ID for your WhatsApp, and then you need to tap on undo or view, whichever you want. Now I'm doing view. So to turn it off, you just have to turn off this toggle button, and if you want to view the chat while chat lock, you just have to scroll up and then you will get this option and you have to put Touch ID. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.